I try to stay in hotels that offer breakfast. The American Inn in Cody, Wyoming had a nice breakfast, but I couldn't help feeling like I was being watched. The entire hotel lobby and dining area was filled with taxidermied wildlife. It almost made me feel guilty about last night's elk burger at Wyoming Legacy Meats.
It's June 7th. This is the start of day 7, ride to Amerivespa. We are leaving Cody, Wyoming. What a neat little town. I would come back here and explore a little more. I think this place is great. And we are headed first to Red Lodge today, up and over Beartooth Pass, which I'm very excited about. Then to Yellowstone. I'm gonna go through the park. I'm not sure what we're gonna see there yet. I've been to Yellowstone before, but we're close, and Yellowstone is amazing. Why not go? And I think we're staying in West Yellowstone today. Mileage-wise, I think this is a pretty short day, but there's going to be a lot to see, so we'll ride slow.
The morning was a fairly relaxing ride up Wyoming 120, crossing the border into Montana. We stopped to photograph old Western buildings in Bear Creek. I really love rundown old abandoned buildings. I wonder about the lives that were lived there. Every one of those crumbling old facades once held the hopes and dreams of someone. We had an unplanned stop when we came upon the site of the Smith mining disaster, where in 1943, 74 men lost their lives in the worst underground coal mining accident in Montana's history. We followed some friendly bikers into Red Lodge, stopped for gas, and pressed on. Red Lodge is the gateway to Beartooth Highway, one of America's premier motorcycling roads. Beartooth Highway is designated as an all-American road. It follows Highway 212 between Red Lodge and the northeast entrance to Yellowstone National Park.
We've caught up to some slow Harley riders. But I don't blame them. The scenery's gorgeous. You want to look at it. And I think we talked to the guy riding the trike at a gas station down at Red Lodge. He's 84 years old. And he's out here doing a trip with his son. Look at this ski area. I'd be afraid to ski off the top. It's like an avalanche drop-off right off the top. Imagine driving that snowcat here. this. The summit.
As we wound our way back down the other side of the mountain, I had mixed emotions. I was sad to be leaving the incredible ride through Beartooth's tunnel of snow, but I was grateful for the warmer temperatures at lower elevations.
This has got to be the most spectacular mountain ride we've done on this trip. Maybe the most spectacular one I've done in my life.
We stopped and took some photos at Long Lake and marveled that it was still frozen solid in June. Just a few more miles down the road and Beartooth Lake was already enjoying summer. Beartooth Creek flowed out of Beartooth Lake and through the canyon to, yup, you guessed it, Beartooth Falls. In all of this spectacular Beartooth nature, we were only missing one thing. Thankfully, a few more miles down the road, and we got to see why it's called Beartooth Highway.